High protein content. Goose meat contains a high amount of protein. Protein supports muscle health, aids in tissue repair, and plays a crucial role in cell regeneration. Low fat content. Generally, goose meat has lower fat content compared to other types of red meat. This can contribute to maintaining heart health and weight control. Rich in B vitamins. Goose meat is rich in B vitamins, especially vitamin B12. B vitamins are essential for energy metabolism and support the health of the nervous system. Rich in minerals. Goose meat is rich in important minerals such as iron and zinc. Iron enhances the body's oxygen-carrying capacity, while zinc supports immune system functions. Omega-3 fatty acids. Some studies have shown that goose meat contains omega-3 fatty acids. These fats support heart health and possess anti-inflammatory properties. Collagen content. Goose meat may be rich in collagen, an important structural protein for skin health and joint support. Dietary diversity. Goose meat provides various nutrients, adding diversity to your diet and contributing to a healthy lifestyle. However, as with any type of meat, it's important to consume goose meat in moderation. Overconsumption may lead to certain health issues. Additionally, consulting a healthcare professional is advisable if you have any health conditions or dietary restrictions.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.